What's up, guys? I'm at a pretty decent sized hardscape job we finished over the winter. All natural rock, quite a bit of water control and drainage we had to do here as well. But I'm just gonna give you guys a little tour of the job. Now, I will say, at the very beginning, you're gonna see these pavers. The reason I'm out here is because we're gonna finish this thing all the way to the driveway. But when we started the job, the pavers didn't look that bad. Once we finished the job, the pavers just gotta go. They really don't look good anymore next to the rest of the work. So here it is.